Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone and a warm welcome. I'm Ahmed and I'm thrilled to introduce you to something I have been planning for a long time. A complete learning journey built specifically for accounting and finance professionals across the Gulf region. This is the official launch of brand new program GCC Taxation, a guide for accountants and bookkeepers. If you are working as an accountant, bookkeeper, or finance executive anywhere in the Gulf, this course has been created for you. And if you are a student or aspiring professional preparing to enter this field, this course will help you understand taxation from the ground up and apply it confidently in real business environments. For decades, the Gulf was known as a tax free zone. The idea of taxes simply did not exist in the daily vocabulary of most businesses. Oil revenues were strong enough to fund infrastructure, salaries, and government services. But over the past several years, everything has started to change. One by one, GCC countries have introduced new tax frameworks: value added tax, corporate income tax, excise tax, and zakat. And the region is moving toward full economic maturity. That transformation brings with it an equally important shift in the role of finance professionals. Today, an accountant in the Gulf is no longer responsible only for bookkeeping or financial reporting. The modern accountant must also understand compliance, regulation, and the financial impact of taxation on business decisions. I built this course to help you grow into that new role. My goal is to take you from zero knowledge of taxation to a level of practical mastery. You will understand not only the laws and rules but also the reasoning behind them, how taxes function in business, why governments rely on them, and how they influence financial statements like pricing and profits. This introductory video is not about teaching tax laws yet. Instead, it is about showing you why this course matters, how it is structured, and what kind of professional growth you can expect by the end of it. The course is divided into several video lectures. We start with the fundamentals and then we move to framework of taxes in GCC, like VAT, corporate tax, and zakat. Every concept will be explained in plain language. You will not only understand what the law says, but also how it applies to transactions, invoices, and financial reports. By the end, you will feel confident handling practical tasks such as VAT returns, corporate tax provisions, and communicating with auditors or authorities. Why does this matter so much now? Because taxation is becoming the language of accountability. It connects business, governments, and citizens. When companies pay taxes transparently, they contribute to public trust and national growth. For professionals like us, mastering taxation means staying relevant in a rapidly changing marketplace. Across the GCC, governments are implementing ambitious Vision 2030 plans aimed at diversifying their economies beyond oil. These plans require stable and sustainable revenue streams, and taxation is a key part of that strategy. As accountants, we play a vital role in that transformation. Our work ensures that businesses comply with the law while operating efficiently and ethically. By the end of this course, you will be able to explain why taxes exist, describe how they operate in the Gulf, identify the main obligations for businesses, and apply this knowledge to real accounting work. You will be ready not just to follow the changes happening in the Gulf, but to lead with understanding. The course is delivered through recorded video lectures supported by visual slides and practical examples. You can follow it at your own pace. You might be wondering what makes this course different from many tax seminars or YouTube tutorials already available. The answer is that this course has been built specifically for Gulf accountants and bookkeepers, focusing on their practical responsibilities. It is not about memorizing legislation, it is about understanding how to apply it, how to think like a tax aware finance professional. Let us talk about the professional benefits. Understanding taxation adds measurable value to your career. Employers in the GCC increasingly look for finance staff who can handle compliance and communication with tax authorities. This knowledge can make you a key resource within your organization. It can also open new opportunities like roles in advisory, tax reporting, audit, or even entrepreneurship. For those of you who already hold accounting qualifications such as ACCA, CA, or CPA, this course will complement your existing expertise. It will help you apply your theoretical accounting knowledge in a real regulatory context. For students and early career professionals, it provides a head start. You will already be comfortable with tax terminology. I want you to treat this course as a personal investment, an investment in your own growth and confidence. Once you understand taxation, you will see accounting from a new perspective. Every entry in the books will make more sense when you can connect it to a tax implication. Every report will carry more weight when it complies fully with regulations. This knowledge empowers you to speak with authority in meetings, to advise management, and to contribute to strategic decisions. I also want to acknowledge that learning about taxation can seem intimidating at first. There are laws, rules, and technical terms that may sound complex, but remember, every expert started as a beginner. My responsibility as your instructor or guide is to make the difficult simple and the technical practical. You will not be overwhelmed, you will be guided step by step. The Gulf region stands at the intersection of tradition and innovation. As its economies diversify, taxation becomes not just a fiscal rule but a framework for accountability and growth. Through this course, we will explore how finance professionals can contribute to that framework with competence and integrity. Before we move on the first lecture, let me summarize what this introductory session aims to leave you with, like clarity about why taxation matters now, and confidence that you can master it, and curiosity to learn more. If you have these three things, you are already on the right path. So, welcome once again to GCC Taxation, a guide for accountants and bookkeepers. I am Ahmed and I am honored to be your instructor or guide on this journey. I will turn taxation from a complex subject into a professional strength, like something you understand, apply, and use to build your career. That's all for this video, and Allah Hafiz.